Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek on WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Contacts app and enter the following number, +34613333300. Next, tap Add New Contact and in the name field, type DeepSeek. Once done, tap Done at top right corner. Wait a few moments until the contact is linked to WhatsApp. Next, open the WhatsApp application and search for DeepSeek. Once you find it, tap on it, and it will open the chat. Now, you can start chatting with DeepSeek just like any other contact. Type Hi to check if it responds. You can also ask, Who are you? And it will reply, I am DeepSeek. If you ask, Which model are you running? It will respond with DeepSeek R1. This means the AI is fully functional and can be used for answering questions, generating code, or general conversations inside WhatsApp. However, keep in mind that DeepSeek does not officially support WhatsApp. The service is hosted by a third party and may not always be reliable or secure. So that's basically how you can use DeepSeek on WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.